To pay with Affirm on Vrbo. Start by searching for your desired vacation rental on the Vrbo website or mobile app. Once you have found a property that suits your needs, click on the listing to view its details. If the property owner accepts Affirm as a payment method, you will see the Affirm option at checkout. Next, select your travel dates and click the Book button to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards and Affirm. Click on the Affirm option to select it as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Affirm website, where you will be prompted to enter some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Affirm will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for a loan. If you are approved, you will be presented with a loan offer that includes the total amount you need to pay, the interest rate, and the repayment terms. Review the loan offer carefully to ensure you understand the terms and conditions. If you accept the loan offer, you will be asked to provide your bank account information to set up automatic payments. You can then confirm your payment and complete the booking process on Vrbo. It is essential to note that Affirm charges interest on your loan, and the interest rate will depend on your creditworthiness. However, Affirm does not charge any hidden fees, and you will know exactly how much you need to pay each month. To get the most out of using Affirm on Vrbo, make sure to review the loan offer carefully and understand the repayment terms. It is also crucial to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or negative impacts on your credit score. By following these steps, you can easily use Affirm to pay for your vacation rental on Vrbo. Remember to always review the loan offer carefully and make your payments on time to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.